how do you think, like, how does social media impact your self-worth? What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word different, different people are different?
You getting any challenges, or how easy or how difficult was it?
What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word different? Okay. So, how does social media impact your self-worth?
That should be used for awareness. Like nowadays, everyone use social media with different platforms. It should be used for awareness.
And as digital life has made you more empathic or practical?
Both ways. It depends on you how you use it. Like sometimes it helps in exams and clearing certification and all.
Yeah.
But also used to spend it eats our time.
Yes.
Basically.
True. True.
So it totally depends on it. For me, it's always.
So you're
I can't,
distracted as well.
I can't take any side because it's as well as distracted. Yeah. Thank you. I'm comfortable. It's just I can choose social media like people, especially our parents, think that it's not good for us. But I personally think like looking for current scenario, you can have lots of interview questions are there. You can find lots of connections there, and it's very helpful for your job. Not on, I'm not talking only about LinkedIn but there are lots of platforms like. On Instagram also you can learn a lot. Like there are few pages like I'm a Java developer, so there are different pages regarding Java. You can learn a lot. Different kind of interview questions are there, and even like there are many like you can find a roadmap also. Like if you want to learn any new technology like agentic AI or something, you can learn a lot. So I
So you
think
are a techie.
yeah, I am completely techy. I learn a lot, use a lot. So I will suggest this generation, alpha generation, to use social media like in a nice way, not in a bad way.
Okay.
Yeah.
It impact. Yeah. I have a good control on myself, so I should say it will impacting me in positive. But it do sometimes negative. Like if you are drowning, so it will show you to drown. Yes, you have to go down. But if you are raising yourself, so it will show you, yeah, you can hike up, you can hike up. So, yes, because of the ego maybe. But yeah.
Currently, I have disconnected myself from social media.
Okay.
And what is the reason behind that? I think it was like getting too much advertising. There's too much consumption. You're constantly just engaging with it for no purpose. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I have one more question for you related to social media, I think, because we have thought so, right? Do you think social media is making us more connected or more
I think both in some way. It depends on the person. Right? At one moment, I can see my like, people around me posting good stuff and enjoying their life. And I feel, oh, what am I doing? And then at other moments, I'll be able to connect with my actual friends.
Yeah.
That only way to connect, right?
Okay. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word different, different people or different?
The first thing it comes like sympathy and empathy both. Like I can feel it like how people they are not able to do anything.
Yeah.
Like sometimes parents are there to take care of, but when they become old or have gone, like how do they take care? So that makes my heart like sad.
Yeah. True, true. And like, have you, okay, do you think,
I mean, my cousin is also a special child. We treat her like a family member. She's a normal person and she's breathtaking right now.
okay?
But for society, she is not. Yeah, it's very. So, as per you, yes, people should be able to take these people in a normal manner, right?
Yeah, I remember my professor at university. He was blind, so we have to make our assignments online. And I gave that thing कि सारे assignment handwritten है और उनका word में बनाना है. So it was quite hectic for me. And even I didn't get कि कैसे code out करूँ कि वो marks मिले उस चीज से. Because he will only see भी नहीं. He will only listen the assignment be submitted online.
Okay.
And we can't explain कि इसमें कुछ भी corrupted नहीं है, like that. No explanation we can do. So that's the only thing.
So how do you feel about this as other, like with other people? What about differentiating paper, means to you? Do you connect with those people?
Like from my early childhood, I usually try to interact with them, like how they are going through and like that. But it was little hard. Yeah,
Okay. All right. You see, well, it should be differently.
Differently able. Yes, yes, yes.
I think like everyone has those friends and weaknesses, right? Maybe that person is differently able than me in some other shape or form, but he might be much more able than me in some other terms. Right? So every person has these strengths. Have you ever, like you guys are working, right? Have you ever came across anybody who's like a differentially able and working with you guys in the same society? Not working, but we had a lot of people in our college who were differently able and they molded up with us, they connected with us. That's so nice, yeah. Right.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for having